Understanding a shade too much. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to explore the phrase, a shade too much. This is a very expressive phrase in the English language, often used to add a subtle nuance to your conversation. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English communication. A shade too much is an idiomatic expression. The word shade in this context means a small amount. When combined with too much, it indicates that something is slightly more than necessary or desired. It's a polite and indirect way of saying that something is more than what is considered acceptable or comfortable. Let's see how a shade too much can be used in different contexts. 1. In terms of quantity, I think I added a shade too much salt to the soup. It's a bit saltier than I intended. 2. In terms of behavior or personality traits, he can be a shade too much at parties, always dominating the conversation. 3. In terms of effort or performance, she put in a shade too much effort on the decorations. The room looks a bit overcrowded now. In each example, a shade too much is used to indicate a slight excess of something, whether it's an ingredient, a personality trait, or effort. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your ability to express the same idea differently. Here are a few. A bit too much, more straightforward, indicating a small excess. Slightly over implies a small amount over the limit. Just a tad over tad means a small amount, similar to shade in its subtlety. Today, we learned about the phrase, a shade too much, a useful expression for indicating a slight excess in a polite and subtle way. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its nuances, and phrases like this can add color and precision to your communication. I hope this lesson helps you understand and use a shade too much confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.